Yeah, so get your setup. And don't come up or come up, if depends on how it feels. Take 2 or 3 false sweeps. What?
Whoa, get out of your boat, swim down there, and then George will just say, where is he?
Yeah.
How long can be here upside down? Okay, I'm going to do like Ben said.
Okay. Ben, we're trying your method here.
Huh?
We're trying your method.
Okay. Now watch his back paddle.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's not getting above it. He's got to get it out of the water.
His boat is rotating late.
Yep.
See, it's rotating. Oh, up he goes. Yeah.